Have you ever wondered if you could reach out to beings from another world without leaving your home? Today we'll explore strange ways people believe you can contact aliens. Get ready to dive into the unknown. First, try listening to the stars with a radio scanner. This fascinating device allows you to explore the universe in a unique way. This device is like a super radio that can pick up all kinds of signals, from the mundane to the extraordinary. It's a gateway to the hidden symphony of the cosmos. Here's how it works. Turn on the scanner and set it to scan through different frequencies. As it sweeps through the spectrum, it captures a variety of sounds and signals. Think of it as surfing through TV channels, but instead of shows, you're listening for strange noises or signals. Each frequency holds a potential mystery waiting to be uncovered. Some believe these signals could be messages from aliens. Imagine the thrill of possibly intercepting a communication from another world. The universe is vast and full of secrets, and with a radio scanner you can start to unravel them. Shine a laser pointer into the night sky, aiming it at a distant star. The beam travels through the vast expanse of space, cutting through the darkness. Some think this simple beam of light can catch the attention of beings far away. It's a signal, a beacon, calling out to the unknown. But be careful. You never know who or what might respond. The night holds many secrets, and not all of them are friendly. Use the laser signal wisely. These methods are shrouded in mystery, hidden in the shadows of the unknown. But who knows what you might discover when you dare to look beyond the ordinary. If you're brave enough to try, you might uncover secrets that have been long forgotten. Let us know what happens in the comments. Share your experiences and findings with us. And if you want to explore more mysteries, delve deeper into the unknown, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more enigmatic adventures. The truth is out there, waiting for those who seek it with an open mind and a courageous heart.